here at Kingfisher Farm, which is part of James Finlay, and focusing on a spotlight program that entails trying to connect the grower to the end consumer. Many a times when people buy flowers, but they don't know where these flowers have been produced from, and they also don't know what goes into the environment where these flowers are produced. And so the goal is to connect that consumer to see where these flowers are grown and to see how those people take care of the environment, and to have a better understanding. And when they do that, they have a better emotional connection to what they are buying, not just a commercial event.
The farm that you're on now is called Kingfisher Farm. This is one of the two farms that we have in Naivasha. One is Flamingo, and this one is Kingfisher Finlay's. My name is Craig Alton. I'm the General Manager of the flowers, and also I'm the Sustainability Champion for Naivasha. Well, the major crop, as you can see around you, is roses. So we do, in majority, we do roses. We have 72 hectares between both farms. We do spray carnations, which is our next largest crop. And then we do a variety of fillers and foliage. Anything from statids to limonium to hard ruscus for our bouquet making. We ship to retailers, both in the UK and Germany. So we have marketing arms both in the UK and Germany. So that means we have outlets to Europe and also to mainland UK. We believe in sustainability, and that I think is everything about any business, but particularly in a farming business or in a flower business. We don't leave anything to chance. So anything we do, any planning that we do, we fully look at the whole spectra of how we're going to grow these flowers, how we're going to look after our people actually growing the flowers, but also it's the level of education within our staff, and that has really sort of enhanced Kenya and the Kenya flower industry to make people actually know exactly what they're doing in their job, and hence our quality has got better and better throughout the years. Everything that we do, including this greenhouse with all this lovely rain, is all going into major rainwater lagoons, which we will be using again for irrigation. So we're minimizing our impact on our water source, which is Lake Naivasha. We recycle all the fertilizer that is going into the troughs here. We have a closed irrigation system, so we recycle all our fertilizer. We recycle all our grey water or black water. That means water from our canteen washings or our pack houses or our shower rooms. We actually recycle all that water as well and bring it back onto the farm. We would say that the flower industry in probably the last 10 years, certainly in the last 5 years, has come to a plateau where the tree planting programs that are being done, the soil science to make soils better has improved no end. The way that the water and the purification of water that is being done in our own water sources, like the various papyrus rehabilitation programs we're doing in the lake with Leicester University, the understanding of soil erosion and mitigating that by planting trees, working together as a community, working together with the government on that. So I would say, and I might be a bit bold to say it, but I say that we are actually giving back, yeah, and actually making it a better place.
We have picked 12 farms in the world, and this is one of the farms. And the goal is to show the world that there is a lot of positive things that goes on in the flower business that the end consumer doesn't get to know, because most of the time the negative publicity, the negative media gets to get to the people more. It's more sensational, and we rarely get to see positive media coming from the industry. And so our goal is to have that because there is lots of things being done by the farms that doesn't get to be known by the end consumer.